How to add speed effect in Openshot. Want to speed things up for a fun or energetic effect? Let's break down how to add a speed effect in Openshot. Start by dragging your video clip into the timeline. Right-click on the clip, then hover over time. From there, select fast and choose a preset like 2x, 4x or even higher. Openshot will shorten the clip's duration on the timeline and your video will now play faster. To preview the change, just play the clip in the preview window and see how the motion looks. If you need more control, you can manually stretch or compress the clip by holding the shift key and dragging the end of the clip. Faster speeds work great for time lapses or transitions, but avoid going too fast, otherwise the visuals can become hard to follow. Do you prefer using fast effects for action scenes or time-lapse edits? Let me know in the comments below. Speed changes are simple but powerful, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.